Welcome to this 10th and final video lesson on lambda and chemistry. In this video, we will discuss molecular geometry. Let's start with bonding molecular orbitals, or ligands. Sigma molecular orbitals with orbitals 1s, e, sigma-type bonding. The example given is written by inserting Greek letter sigma, subscript, open generic parenthesis, 1s, close generic parenthesis. Molecular pi orbitals with orbitals 2p, e, pi-type bond. The example given is written by inserting Greek letter pi, subscript, pi generic parenthesis, 2p, close generic parenthesis. Molecular orbitals of antiligands, or antiligans. Antilegument molecular orbital sigma. The example given is written by inserting Greek letter sigma, asterisk, space, dot. Molecular orbitals of antiligum pi. The example given is written by inserting Greek letter pi, asterisk. Thank you for viewing our videos on lambda and chemistry.